Hey guys, how are you? Sorry I'm late. My mom can't drive. So what are you doing?
Okay, hi Lance. Now class, we may begin. So let's start by going into our first pose, which is a nice, calm, downward dog.
You got it!
Lance, not with your dog. The point of yoga is to stretch your own body, not your dog's.
Darn it!
Okay, now let's transition into a child's pose. I'm a child. And now we're going to go into a frog pose. Please be quiet. Okay, now stretch your legs out behind you. Put your hands under your shoulders and go up to a nice cobra stretch. Lance. Okay, now back into a child's pose. I'm a child again. Okay, now everybody stand up. Today we're going to be learning a new move. So, place your feet on the edge of your yoga mat and your toes facing outwards. Now place your hands on your shoulders. This is called the chicken pose. So you're going to bend down as far as you can go to create a nice stretch. Please stop. You are interrupting the class. And now, please kindly excuse yourself.
Oh, I want a bowl of chicken noodle soup.
Then you may please kindly excuse yourself and go make yourself one. Goodbye. Okay, now class, we're going to go back into a nice downward dog. Hey guys,
And welcome
back
to our channel.
So, as you may have already noticed, today we are making
Chicken noodle soup.
Yep, that's the one. So in order to make something, Lance, what do you need?
Well, of course we need ingredients. Let's go.
All right.
Oink, 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 oink.
What? I'm going this way. When making something, what do you need to do?
Well, obviously, that's make it.
Good idea. So, to a large Dutch oven or stock pot, add the oil and heat over medium-high heat to warm.
Add the carrots, celery, onion, and saute for about 7 minutes, or until vegetables begin to soften. Stir intermittently. Add the garlic and saute for another 1 to 2 minutes.
Add the chicken broth, bay leaves, thyme, oregano, pepper, and bring to a boil. Allow mixture to boil gently for about 5 minutes or until vegetables are fork tender. Note, if you like brothier soup, add additional broth, possibly as much as 64 ounces, because as time passes, the noodles will continue to absorb the broth.
Add the egg noodles and boil mixture for about 10 minutes or until noodles are soft and cooked through. At any time while making the soup. If the overall liquid level is lower than you like and you prefer more broth, adding a cup or 2 of water is okay. At the end, you will adjust the salt level.
Add the chicken, parsley, optional lemon juice, which just brightens up the flavor, and boil 1 to 2 minutes or until the chicken is warmed through. Taste soup and add salt to taste. Make any necessary seasoning adjustments, for example, more salt, pepper, herbs, etc. Remove the bay leaves and then serve immediately.
Yum.
Well, it said to serve immediately, so I guess that means we have to try it now.
Let's go! Come on.
Okay, so we decided to serve them off camera because the pot is really big and we didn't want to have to carry it over here. So we have our soup, which maybe could use a little more broth based on what I'm seeing. But
maybe.
it's okay. We also doubled the recipe because we're making it for like some family. So we thought, yeah, maybe we double it. But anyways, I guess it's probably still a bit hot, so let's blow on it.
I still see the steam coming out.
Okay, I think it might be edible. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's really good. Now let's take another bite.
It's very good so far.
I think it's good.
Yeah.
The only thing, maybe a little more like salt.
Or lemon.
Or lemon, yeah, either one. I think it's a little, I wouldn't say bland, but
This could use more sourness.
yeah. So yeah, we hope that you try it. It didn't take us long at all. It was super easy. So we hope that you enjoy, and yeah, bye.
Okay, class, so now we're gonna work on our breathing exercises. So first you're gonna place a balloon in your mouth, and then you're just gonna breathe in and out. Okay, so let's get started.
Hi guys! I brought my chicken noodle soup to share. Anyone? I have a whole bunch of spoons in there.
Lance, that's very kind of you. But right now we're working on our breathing. Do you have a balloon that you can work on your breathing with?
Actually, yes, I do. Oh shoot, but it's already blown up. So I guess I'm gonna have to pop it so I can re-blow it up again. Here, found something to pop it with. Oh wait, wait, what's it? Hello.
Lance, you're disrupting our class right now. It's very kind of you to bring the chicken noodle soup, but I believe I asked you to leave. Lance, hello?
Here, it says subscribe. Wanna see? Subscribe.
Well, make sure to like and comment too, I guess. Bye, and thanks for the chicken noodle.